Hi everyone, welcome back to the other episode of our tutorial video. This is me Kate here, and on today's video I will be showing you how to log into Spotify with Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you're comfortable with. Here I'm going with Google Chrome, and on the search URL type in spotify.com. That will take you to the official website of Spotify. Now, in order to log in, head over to the upper right corner of this interface. There you will get a login button. Click over there, and from this login page, in order to log in with your Facebook account, click on Continue with Facebook. If you have already logged into your Facebook account on this device before, then you will be directly logged into your account. If not, you will be asked to enter your Facebook login credentials. So enter your email and your Facebook password, then click on login. Then it will ask for your confirmation. Once you do that, you will be directly logged into your Spotify account with your Facebook account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any other further updates the next time we upload more tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.